with their mentors, Ms. Rachel and Ms. Abby.
Thank you, Ms. Mia. Good afternoon, everyone. This is our mimicking bird named Lani and Rudy. Now, a yellow-crowned Amazon parrot is the most commonly kept Amazon due to its talking ability and playfulness.
That's right. We need to copy sound what we heard every day.
Okay, now can everybody say hi? Hi! Okay, Lani and Rudy, say hello to everyone.
Hello.
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 Hello. Okay.
Yeah,
Now,
what do-
they can mimic different sound of the animal. So let's try for a rooster. Okay, what is the sound of the rooster, buddy?
Stuck.
Okay, now, what is the sound of a cat? How about a dog? Rudy, can you bark? Bark. Rudy, come on, bark. 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 Sure. So they can also copy the sound of a telephone ringing. Okay, like. Good. Now, Lani and Rudy loves to sing. But before we sing, we have to do a warm-up first, okay? Okay, I guess they're ready. So the first song is titled More Than I Can Sing, and we're just gonna sing 2 lines of the song. Okay? Okay, good. Now, for the second song, let me ask first, who's celebrating their birthdays today or within this month? Do we have celebrants? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Other side, 6. Oh, we have a lot of celebrants. So, happy birthday, advance happy birthday, belated happy birthday. Now, listen very carefully because Lani and Rudy will sing a happy birthday song to you. Okay? Ready? Please sing. Happy birthday. Okay, so everyone, a round of applause to our mimicking bird named Lani and Rudy. Thank you.